What's going on, guys? This is Nikki from MotoDLVRD, and today I'm here to show you the January box. We got a lot of great feedback on this one, so I'm excited to show you guys what's inside. Let's dig in. Okay, let's dig into this box and see what's inside. All right, first off, little 100% air freshener. These smell actually amazing. So yeah, these are good. Second off, we got some nutrition from PNG Nutrition. These guys, the Pinnacle Nutrition Group, they make some great products for, while you're riding, after workouts, all that good stuff. So this is going to be a gel. Typically you'd use this during activity to replace some of the sweat and everything that you're losing during your rides. Second up here, we've got the Electrolytes. Similar situation. I would probably utilize this during or after a long day on the bike. Next up, we've got the Vanilla Whey Protein from PNG. After a long day, you're going to be breaking down a lot of muscle. You want to be able to rebuild all of that after the fact. So you've got about 3 servings here. So that's 3 days on the bike. You can utilize this whey protein. Good stuff, and it tastes delicious too. Got a little sticker sheet, 100% sticker sheet. So slap those on your helmet, your truck, whatever. The new 100% goggles. These are the Strata 2. They just redesigned all of their goggles. So these are part of their Gen 2 lineup, and the color on these guys is actually really awesome. So we actually featured 2 different colors. There's these guys, which are like a lighter blue with a red accent, and then we also did a gray pair that have a little bit of a brighter yellow 100% logo on the side. So yeah, these are essential for a day at the track, and the clear lens is good for normal day rides, but also really great for night. And last but not least, we've got the Tag Rebound Grips. These in particular are the white and black style. We also did a white and red and white and blue as well. So depending on what kind of bike, what kind of kit you got going, we offered a few different styles. All right, guys, that's it for January. Keep an eye out on our YouTube page. We're going to be featuring unboxings like this every month, as well as product highlights for things that we have available in our online store. So check that out and swing by MotoDLVRD.com and sign up for your monthly box. All right, we'll check you next time.